Our company is called AMA, Advanced Mobile Application. People are more looking for digital twin, AR, VR, those kind of the scenario to be used on the field for people to improve their working efficiency. And our technology is part of it. We are providing assisted reality technology, which is helping the on-field workers to be more efficient, communicating with remote experts, team members. Business French invited French companies like us to be part of the So French, So Innovative Pavilion. It's the first time for us to be here. Since we spent a couple years trying to explain the business in Asia, we would like to see whether we can meet people, for example, from Malaysia, Thailand, even Australia. I think Hong Kong has its special positioning for technologies, for tradings, and also a very strong finance base here. That's the reason why AMA chose Hong Kong as one of our subsidiary, which can support strongly for the regional business, both for Greater China area and also the Asia Pacific regions.